Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, August 20, 2024. 383 loan guarantees totaling $4.85 billion have been issued over the past year under the Development Bank of Jamaica DBJ's Credit Enhancement Facility, CEF. This has enabled micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs, to scale up their operations. General Manager of the CEF, David Wan, made the disclosure at the CEF Superstars Awards event held last Wednesday at the Courtyard Marriott in Kingston. He revealed that the total stock of guarantees had grown impressively from $1.98 billion in March 2021 to $5.5 billion in March 2024.
We have seen this support translate into tangible results, with the number of loans backed by guarantees increasing from 458 in 2021 to 1,092 in 2024. That's cumulative. These are more than just statistics. They represent real business, real jobs, real stories of perseverance and growth.
According to Mr. Wan, last year the CEF was able to offer larger loan guarantees of up to $50 million, extending its support to more MSMEs. Meanwhile, during the 2023-2024 financial year, the DBJ facilitated more than 6,000 loans valued at over $10 billion and secured $31 billion in investments.
These efforts have not only spurred economic activity, but created over 700 potential new jobs, while preserving an existing 9,000 jobs.
The CEF provides approved financial institutions and microfinance institutions with additional collateral coverage on loans extended to MSME operators. This collateral coverage serves to mitigate risks for the financial institutions, enabling them to extend credit to a wider range of MSMEs. This, in turn, fosters business growth and economic development in the country. Meanwhile, 130 micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs, have benefited from public procurement training to boost their business growth. The recent training bolstered the beneficiaries' capacity to compete for public sector contracts. It was organized by the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce and facilitated by the Office of Public Procurement Policy within the Ministry of Finance, as well as the Jamaica Business Development Corporation. The series of workshops also provided the MSMEs with on-site registration for the government's electronic procurement portal, GoJEP. The portal is a tender management system through which all government-based tender opportunities are being managed. The training is expected to eliminate challenges faced by MSMEs in accessing government contracts. The Public Healthcare Service has welcomed 268 medical graduates to support the primary and secondary healthcare model. The graduates commenced their 12-month internship recently at 12 public hospitals across the 4 regional health authorities. Placements are within 4 core specialties, namely pediatrics, obstetrics and gynecology, general surgery, and internal medicine. Portfolio Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, who met with some of the doctors recently, says the emphasis is on meeting the demand at the primary and secondary levels. He's encouraging the doctors to offer care with compassion.
Even though your primary role is to provide clinical guidance, clinical solution to the challenges that you face, there must be increasingly an appreciation for the role of psychosocial therapy in clinical administration. It means how you greet the patient. It means how you listen to the patient, giving them a listening ear, even when you don't necessarily agree with them. It means how courteous you are in explaining to the patient.
52% of the medical doctors are placed at hospitals in the Southeast Regional Health Authority, which includes Spanish Town, Victoria Jubilee, KPH, and the Bustamante Hospital for Children. Of the remaining doctors, the UHWI absorbed 53, with the rest being shared among the Western, Southern, and Northeast Regional Health Authorities. $6.5 million in scholarship has been awarded to tertiary and high school students by the Howard Ward Benefit Foundation. 20 students at the tertiary level will receive scholarships valued at $300,000 each, while 15 students at the high school level will get up to $200,000 each. Executive Director of the Howard Ward Benefit Foundation, Suzette Brown, says more is to come from the organization.
Our commitment to education and skill development extends beyond the individual scholarships. We are excited to announce a significant allocation of $1 million to a collaborative program between Ward's Power Tools and the Heart NSTA Trust, which you will hear more about in a few weeks' time. In addition, we are proud to allocate $500,000 towards establishing a high school-based social enterprise. This innovative program will focus on teaching students about entrepreneurship, financial and digital literacy, leadership, and the essential skills needed for the world of work.
As he welcomed the support, Mayor of Montego Bay, Councillor Richard Vernon, is urging young people to seek out and apply for scholarship opportunities.
There are persons supporting us. There are systems in place to help us. Don't get up every day expecting somebody to come and save you when you are being given the opportunity to save yourselves. We have a part to play. We are equally responsible for the development of our country.
The Howard Ward Benefit Foundation Annual Scholarship Awards Luncheon was held recently in Montego Bay. And finally, as residents of St. Elizabeth continue to recover from the impact of Hurricane Beryl, the community of Black River and surrounding areas have been given a back-to-school treat by the Global Jamaica Diaspora Council. The event was put on in collaboration with the Lorraine J. Smith Foundation and other Jamaican-run charities. It saw students receiving free health checks, book vouchers, and other school supplies.
What is important today is that I got bag and books so I can learn at school.
Founder of the organization, Lorraine Smith, says the entity is also adopting fire stations across the island.
It means that the fire brigade will now get the support in terms of emotional support and educational support, so they, as the first responders, can do their job as well as serve their community, even in a more excellent and effective way.
Global Jamaica Diaspora Council representative for the Southern United States, Peter Gracie, says the organization is always ready to give back.
We get together organization to figure out how we are going to come together as a group and work as one throughout the entire diaspora, not just the South, because I work with the other diaspora representatives, also in the UK, in Asia, in Africa, and all over the world.
The event was held at the Black River Fire Station in St. Elizabeth. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.